Namaskar. India's first integrated medical device manufacturing hub. AMTG is shining example of India's commitment to innovation, self-reliance, and excellence in healthcare technology. I extend my sincere appreciation to Dr. Jitendra Sharma ji and his team for their unwavering commitment to making AMTJ a beacon of self-reliance in medical technology. However, one of the critical challenges we face today is our reliance on import, which currently accounts for 69% of the total medical devices trade. While India has made remarkable progress in export, we must continue to strengthen our domestic product capabilities. AMTG is leading the way in addressing this gap, creating an ecosystem where world-class medical technology is designed, developed, and manufactured locally. Today's campus tour gave me an opportunity to witness the first-hand and the advanced research, state-of-art manufacturing, and world-class innovation. The Government of India is fully committed to supporting initiatives that boost domestic manufacturing, advance research and development, and create a favorable ecosystem for medical technology startups. AMTG is more than just a manufacturing hub. It is a symbol of India's aspiration, capabilities, and unwavering commitment to the innovation. The work being done here will not only make the India self-reliant, will also contribute to the global healthcare solution, ensuring the access to high quality and affordable medical technology for people around the world. My best wishes to Team AMTZ for all its future endeavors. Thank you very much. Jai Hind. Namaskar.